Okay guys, today we are doing the little puzzle dies that I got from Globleland. You can use about anything to make a puzzle with. You can run some copies off of pictures, and then you'll measure out what you want and cut it out and glue it on. You can use wallpaper samples. Those would make nice ones. Just put it over, you know, and choose the parts you want to make the puzzle out of. You can use old calendars. Just glue it onto some cardboard or this foam stuff that you can get real cheap for a big sheet at Dollar Tree. And I did run it through on a smaller one to see if it would cut it. And you just have to, you know, make your sandwich in your die cut machine, you know, what it will work with. But it absolutely does cut through it. Of course, I've got that tape on it. But of course, you will have your picture glued to it first. Then you will run it through your die cut machine. So, you know, but say there was a picture on it. There's your, whoops, sticky. There's your puzzle pieces, and then it would be on top of it. So I'm going to cut out one of the pictures I like, and then I'll show you what I did to it. Okay, it did warp it, and the glue didn't stick to it too good, so it did come off of, the picture did come off of my foam board, but I guess you could glue them back on, because you know the places, you know. These are very thin, but I have noticed that you can run them back through using something thinner than the foam board, say like cardboard, like thin cardboard, and usually if you put them in different spots they'll flatten back out more. I mean, it's still all together and everything. This is what the picture looks like. Like I said, it did not stick to my foam board the way I thought the glue would. Maybe I should have put more on it. But like I said, I can glue them back on. Just got to work the puzzle. I'm going to do a few more and then I'll show you what I've done. But these will be off camera. Be right back. Okay, so I decided to use the glue stick with this one on cardboard. I decided to use the foam adhesive on this kind of foam, and I decided to use this brand of glue on the wallpaper, which is cardboard. But this time I'm going to let them all dry completely for a couple hours, and then I'm going to run them through the machine and we'll see how much they stick that way. Okay guys, here's the puzzles that I did. This one was with the square one. That's just I think that was from a calendar. That's the first one I did. It needs glue back on. This one here, I used the stamp, the sun, the moon. I used the sun. I just stamped it onto the cardboard and made a puzzle out of it. And this one is the wallpaper, and then this one I made out of a magazine picture. So are they perfect? No, but I think they're pretty cool. So you know, you can make them out of anything. If you use thicker cardboard or something like that so it'll be hold together better, I would take away something on your die cut machine, like a shim or something. The thinner the background will be, you will need thicker shims. You just gotta play around with it. Anyway guys, that's my little tutorial today. I didn't get a real good picture of the sun puzzle because the sun was playing tricks on me. So here's a better picture of the puzzle. All I did was stamp the sun stamp onto cardboard, and then I used some yellow marker, and I even made the eyes blue. So there's that one. Like I said, the sun keeps coming and going and messing things up, but anyway, I hope you enjoyed it. It wasn't much of one, but it was a little something different. Making puzzles. You could even go make copies of pictures of your family and make a puzzle out of it. Make gifts. Anyway, the links to these products that I used today, the dies and the stamp, will be in my description box down below. Check out Globleland.com. Have a great day, everyone. Blessed be y'all. Bye.